Let's learn how to see Snapchat password if you forget it. Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. What to do if you forget your Snapchat password or suspect that somebody has changed your Snapchat password. Watch this video till the very end to learn about it. Without wasting time, let's start this video. First of all, open Snapchat application. Here tap on this eye, tap on the keyboard and here you will find the autofill option. Tap on it to and you will get the password. Remember it or write it somewhere so that you can remember it for the next login. If this method doesn't work, let's try another. So scroll down the notification panel, tap on the square icon on the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down a little bit. Here you will find a Google option, tap on it. Again scroll down and here tap on autofill option. Autofill with Google. Here tap on passwords. So here you will get the passwords that are saved. So you can get your password from here. I hope you found this video helpful. See you guys in the next video.